So today we are very pleased to introduce all of you the journey of LONGi's product evolution. I'm Zane Zhou from LONGi Australia. I'm head of sales for channels and commercial industrial products. So let's start with who is LONGi. LONGi is a solar leading manufacturer in monocrystalline with mission of utilizing solar energy powering a green world. And LONGi insists on innovation and value creation, achieving long-term steady growth. Let's actually have a video to show you who LONGi is.
When the sunshine becomes the first current to dream, nature integrates perfectly with technology. Open a new era of energy development. The extreme embodiment of solar energy technology bring inexhaustible benefits for all mankind. With sustainable solar technology, LONGi focuses on PV product manufacturing and PV system solutions, adhering to the brand development concept of stable, reliable, and technology leading. The businesses of LONGi cover the whole industry chain, from monocrystalline silicon wafers, cells, and modules, distributed PV systems, to PV power stations. LONGi has developed into the world's largest monocrystalline silicon PV product manufacturer and committed to becoming the world's most valuable solar technology company, changing the pattern of world energy. LONGi focuses on R&D, production, and sale of monocrystalline silicon ingots and wafers, was the first company that fully adopted diamond wire slicing technology. The production capacity is estimated to exceed 75 gigawatts in 2020, became the global leading monocrystalline silicon wafer manufacturer. LONGi has broken the world record for many times in the conversion efficiency of PERC cells. Monocrystalline modules have won the trust of global customers because of its reliability, high efficiency, intensive, beautiful, and so on. The global shipments of monocrystalline modules continue to be the #1 in the world continuously. Distributed PV system market potential is huge. LONGi sets up branches in many countries and regions to provide customers with high standard and omnidirectional services, cover system equipment, project design, construction and grid connection, etc. PV power stations integrated to agriculture, fishery, sand control, husbandry, and stock raising, etc. Its main business focuses on investment, construction, and operation of the comprehensive ecological industrial projects dedicated to providing efficient and smart PV application system solutions. LONGi's mission is to create value for our customers with excellent financial health and international vision, based on the whole process integration research and development platform, with more than 700 core patents. Technology leadership keep LONGi in the forefront of the industry, advancing energy technology and sharing a bright future with you.
So LONGi is a leading monocrystalline company with the technology in scale and providing great value for module users. LONGi Green Energy Technology was founded in 2000 with a mission of utilizing solar energy powering a green world. And LONGi is a vertically integrated solar supplier. As you can see in the bottom line, there's polysilicon from the raw material, and we do the monocrystalline ingot and wafer. And then the next step is we make cell and module assembly. And the last picture shows you the system application once everything is put together. So LONGi is listed on Shanghai Stock Exchange since April 2012, with market value exceeding RMB 390 billion, which is equal to US 60 billion. And the business covers monocrystalline ingot, wafer, cells, module, system application. And then we are considered product innovation and quality control from the perspective of the whole industry chain. With the silicon ingot wafer and module business strengths, first in the world, we have wafer capacity of 80 gigawatt plus and module capacity of 45 gigawatt plus. Here you can see our abundant supply ensures dependable delivery, with all the spots covered in China and also in Southeast Asia, with our overseas factory supplying US and North American market. We have the total capacity of, by 2020 forecast, 45 gigawatt plus. And here is a simple chart for the major module suppliers' capacity around the world. So LONGi is currently sitting at 45 as top one, and there's like the following 5 players which almost occupy more than 50% of the capacity in global scenario. And by PV Info Link 2020, the module shipment ranking, we are top number 1 as well. Here's another big point to be considered into your module selection. So financial stability and reliability. As you can see in the picture, the Bloomberg NEF ranking, which is a very crucial indicator in the industry, by the financial health, we're the number 1 according to Altman Z-score. And here's a pyramid that you can see provided by PV Module Tech with the bankability ratings, which LONGi is the only AAA rating of the whole chart. We're insisting on the philosophy of stable operation and sustainable development and maintain very strong financial health through the years. Apart from financial stability, we also have consistent R&D investment throughout the year. We spent around 5 to 7%, which is very high in the industry, of our revenue on R&D, and that's in the last 8 years. The total investment has reached 792 million, which is the highest in the PV manufacturing industry. And we cooperated with research institutes, including UNSW here in Australia, on advanced PV technology and product reliability, and work with the industry partners to ensure that LONGi products enable optimal system solutions. So this picture, you can see a martini-shaped picture. This is about 133 gigawatt PV module production in the year 2019. And with different colors, that's indicating different technology type. So as you can see, from 2020 to 2015, there's a consistent shifting of technology from purely dominated by multi-silicon, which is our poly module, to gradually going towards mono modules. And from 2015 to 2019, the change has been very serious from poly to mono. And one of the pushing reason about that is also LONGi start to manufacture and go big in the solar module industry. Here's the picture showing us aiming for lower LCOE, which is the most important thing in renewable energy, with reliable products that we offer. So when we develop products, we're focusing purely on the customer value. There's a few different components we're considering altogether. So in the left-hand pyramid, you'll see manufacturer cost, balance of system cost, energy yields, and also module reliability then when we consider designing and manufacturing a successful module. Altogether, it gives us the best LCOE products, and then we choose them. So wafer, cell, module level, altogether considered, we have a different selection of products. And later on in this PPT, Betty will also introduce and give you a clear indication of what's going on in these 3 segments. So with the technology innovation, we are leading the industry with a lot of innovation in our products and patents. From 2015 to 2020, there's a global market share of monos. And we are developing technology around monocrystalline, the PERC, bifacial PERC, introducing half cut when we introduced the HIMO 3 series. And towards 2019, we bring in M6 standard wafer, which is the most popular panel nowadays in Australian market. That is 370 watt in residential and also small commercial. So this is global best-selling products at the moment, and it's also available in Greenwich in both 3PLs and also branches in Victoria and Brisbane. And 2020, we also have our new product family launch M10, which is utility size products suitable for global application in generating high efficiency renewable products. So with the consistent investment in R&D, this enables LONGi to develop obviously products with best performance and obviously lowest cost. So here comes the technology part, and let me introduce my colleague Betty to introduce you the large-scale application of our gallium-doped wafers. Here's Betty.
Thank you very much, Zen. So as today's topic, we would like to discuss something about LONGi technology, especially the gallium-doped wafer. You can see from this below chart, from the previous the boron doped to currently gallium doped product, we have been improved in LID, CID, yield degradation, and also cell efficiency. The leading of the improvement of the PERC technology and the efficiency, you can see from the below chart in 2015 to currently, the silicon wafer efficiency from the before lower than the 20% to currently more than 23.2%. So LONGi's research, development, also production efficiency of PERC cells has always maintained a long leading position and currently maintain at 24% commercial PERC cell efficient record. As you know, and Zhang introduced, from our previously M2 wafer to the marketing, we also know the competitors G1 to currently M6 wafer, M6 166 millimeters. The utilized of equipment margin for cell production and the compatibility with the existing capacity. It's also utilized the margin of the glass width of the module to reduce the manufacture cost. So you can see from the below chart, the dark gray part is the current M6 module size, also the M2 module size. It's a little bit comparison of the panel size. We also would like to talk about the product quality and the reliability. As you know, in LONGi, we put module design, also manufacturer verification in the qualification quality performance. One of that is the product design, also the material selection, and the process of the optimization. Also in the manufacturing part, we're thinking about the module reliability test. So in the later, you will see most of our research from the third parties of the LONGi module. Also, we're thinking about the manufacturer quality control, which including the highly automated production line, multiple quality assurance among the factory, manufacturer, and the production witness. The last one is the field performance validation. The module energy yield performance and are verified by the theory and the empirical analysis. Here's another three LONGi did the third-party expert certification. So LONGi is not only satisfied with the standard reliability testing requirement, and has established a variety of the differentiation reliable test methods based on the results of the well-known research institution and third-party experts. So below three parts, one is the thermal cycling test. Another is the UV and DH test in the comprehensive aging. The second part is actually quite suitable for Australia with high UV and high humid condition. The number 3 is the cell metal corrosion test. It's also suitable for the solar panel which gonna be installed near the seaside. Here is the LONGi material selections. So reliability is the premium of the LONGi product development. LONGi will not compromise on the quality stance in order to improve the power or reduce the cost. These 3 is the main part. One is the junction box, white EVA, also the transparent backsheet. So according to the reliability of the evolution of LONGi transparent backplane from the different manufacturers, the transparent backsheet show the yellowing and crackling and delamination and other failed states. Third-party verification of product quality and the performance. Here is the 8 indicates. LONGi is the only manufacturer that has performed well in the all indicators in the IETC's PV module index report in 2020. This one, I think Mark probably very familiar with that. It's from the Germany TÜV Rheinland All Quality Matters Award. So they changed the name from 2017 and 2018. They called it Energy Yield Simulation Award. From 2019 to 2020, we call it Outdoor Energy Yield Award. So LONGi has been awarded all of that from 2017 till now. So we're gonna introduce something about LONGi product. HIMO 4 product, it has the excellent energy yield, anti-LID, low degradation. Also, it maximizes the installation capacity with the limited roof area. So the excellent energy yield of the HIMO 4 series, you can see from the left side, in the noontime, the red bit is the better performance at the higher temperature of the LONGi product. So from previous, the boron doped to currently gallium doped. Gallium doped silicon wafer is used in the current M6 wafers, which is focused on the investment income and the aesthetics is taken into consideration in the residential market, including those below 4 parts, the system cost, energy yield, brand product quality, and installed capacity. Below one is the review of the PV module in the distributed PV market. So LONGi launched the M6 wafer standard and module from the 2019. As then explained, we from our beginning M2 wafer 315 to the current one, we have been going through a long process from the previous old module to the current very famous mainstream 370. So the HIMO 4, the best choice for the distributed PV market. We think our product has integrated advanced technology of below 4 points. The first one is our M6 gallium doped mono wafer. The second one is from the previous 6BB. It has been upgraded to 9 busbar high efficiency per cell. And also it's used the half cell technology. Maximum, the module efficiency has exceeded 21%. So our product in the market right now is the left one, 60 cell, 370, and the right one, 450. The middle one, 66 cell, is some new product we're gonna be launched in the middle of Q2. Very soon, probably Mark has already got some our notice. We will do the new product launch and everything for the 415 watt product. So the 415 watt will be 66 cell. So compared to the first one, 60 cell, it's a little bit bigger, but it's smaller than the 72 cell. The 72 cell is more suitable for the larger roof, also the commercial roof. So the 66 is in between these two sides, and this can fit for the both resi and the commercial jobs. Here is the product roadmap as we discussed before. So the resi, we will stick around the 370, especially for Australia market, to meet the 6.6 kilowatt system, which is 18 pieces. The commercial module, it has go steady higher from the 440 to 445. Currently, it is a 450 I'm selling. I think with the increasing efficiency of the cell, it can reach 455. And this picture shows the LONGi efficiency and the power evolution. You can see from the 2019 to 2020, our panel 60 cell from the 370. Actually, at the moment, we can reach the 385 power class. Also, for the 72 cell, we have reached the 445 and currently 450 watt. So we think professional team can bring the efficiency in operational, also bring more sales volume for our customer. We also consider that into our Australian markets and Australian team. So we're considering the operation management, marketing, sales, technical support, and after sales service. This is our LONGi Australian team. Our Mr. Stephen Zhang and the top, and my manager, she just give the brief introduction and summarize of LONGi product. I'm here and I look after sales in the distribution channel. So you can see in our Australian team, we quite focus in each part from the product, marketing and the logistic, also the after sales support. So LONGi Australia, we are here to help you and survive and thrive from every part. We got our senior office, which is in North Sydney. We got technical support both in China and Australian team. We will keep going the ongoing training for our distributor, retailer, and whoever has questions can feel free to send us email. We also got our local marketing team. So in the sales team and technical team, you can reach us by email and phone call. For me, it's 24/7. We got the 3PL warehouse in 4 main Australian local, which is Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, and Perth.
let me ask, are there any questions regarding this? I got one on my list, just regarding the launch of the 66 cell one. So you said this is mid of the year. Can you just confirm the date when it will be available in the market?
At the moment, we only ordered some samples sending to Australia. I think it will arrive maybe middle, late March, but we're still waiting for the shipment confirmation. The mass production, I think, will be in April or May.
Yeah, so currently we are preparing the teaser for the market, and this is actually one of the major products we're going to launch in Australian market this side of the year, and it will be a great add-on to our current portfolio of 60 cell and 72 cell. So these 66 cell products is actually like a iPhone to iPhone Pro kind of size. It gives you a little bit extra wherever the roof size suitable. And it's a perfect 4x4 design. So you've got 16 pieces to be used in a 6.6 kilowatt system. So definitely a great spot in Australian application. And we are currently actively preparing all the market launch for these products. So hopefully we can share a lot more information through Greenwich to the market soon as well.
Okay, I mean, we will definitely communicate a lot regarding this new panel and help to make it a successful launch.
Thank you.
That's all from my side. Thank you so much for the presentation. I don't know, is there any other question or any other comment regarding the product? No.
Yeah, the current one, Greenwich, is quite popular, and the mainstream product is 370, also the 450 ones.
Yeah, both are very established products and known by the market and customers. So we are actually quite happy to have these ones in our portfolio.
Yep,
for sure.
Would like today then close the session. Thank you so much for giving a bit of an outlook what comes and regarding this new technology and the new, let's say, LONGi news, which come up mid of the year. We from Greenwich, I just put all the sales rep and myself up there, so we are there for you. If there are any questions, just contact us. Any channel is fine, and we will support you, and we are more than happy to share the LONGi videos, which we couldn't play today, but get in touch with us. We are more than happy to share this one. Thank you so much, Zane and Betty, for the support, for the quick presentation, and yeah, I hope to see you soon again.
Thanks, Mark.
Thank you very much, Mark.
Thank you so much, and yeah, see you soon. There are more webinars to come this week, so please sign up, and see you then. Thank you so much.
See you.
See ya.